Oh, this is a quick video showing that I've officially become a pro for the Edabit. So this means is that I paid the yearly 1-year subscription, which is $10 a month. So I was curious about whether or not I wanted to subscribe or not. So I decided to send them an email beforehand. But this is what I said in my email. I said, "Hi, can I find the differences between free and pro? I'm interested in going pro. I'm not sure what the differences are between the two, and thanks for the support." So then they replied, and they said that new users can solve 15 challenges, after which they are prompted to purchase a pro account. And with the pro account, you have unlimited access to everything. So it doesn't specify whether or not you can, it says 15 challenges. So then after reading this, we just went pro. So we're going to be doing this and going pro. That's going to be it. Thanks for watching.